Hey guys, welcome back to math class. Today we are looking at data and percents and how those two things relate together. We really have already learned everything we need to know about percents. We're just going to be applying it a little differently. So, one of the ways that most of my students prefer to work with percents is using the percent proportion. The percent proportion, remember it looks like this, and you have part over total equals the percent over 100. And what we're going to be looking at today is finding those percents and then going backwards to find the parts. So let's look at an example. All right. If 20,000 memberships were sold, how many were in the family category? So you have to ask yourself a couple questions. Do you know how many family memberships were sold? No, we don't. Do you know how many total memberships were sold? Yes, we do. It's 20,000. Do you know the percent of family memberships? Yes, that's 30. So when you set up your proportion, you are going to fill in the parts that you know. I'm going to go ahead and write that down while I've got it pulled up. And it looks like this: 30 over 100, because this was 30%. And now the question is asking, so how many is that? From here, we cross multiply. 30 times 20,000 is 600,000. And then we divide by 100, which is 6,000. So out of all of those memberships, 6,000 were family memberships. Let's look at another one. Oh, this one. What percent of students write with their left hand? So again, we're going to ask ourselves some questions. Do we know how many students write with their left hand? Yes, it told us there's 6. So I'm going to write that down. Do you know how many total students there are? Even though it doesn't come out and tell you, you can add these up. So we've got 6, 18, and let's say that's 1. So that'd be 25. Do you know the percent of left-handed students? No. So put an X there over 100, and you end up with this. So I've got 6 left-handers out of 25 totals equals what percent out of 100? So when I solve this one, I'm going to do 6 times 100, which is 600, divided by 25, which is 24. So 24% of students in that graph are left-handed. All right, I'm going to leave it there. Use the percent proportion. It's going to help you figure these questions out, and I will see you next time